On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Instagram can't log in with Facebook easily and fast. So the first way is open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps. Go to the Instagram app and then click on it. Let's go to the Instagram. Click on it, click on the internal storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then click on force stop here and go back. Now go to the Facebook here in the apps manager and click on this force stop. That's the first way. The second way is you have to open the settings again, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 10 seconds and disable it again. And the third way and last one is you have just to remove Instagram from your phone and re-download it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.